With my container vineyard dormant after a successful 2018 harvest, it was time to prune the vines. Greensandmachines.com. A quick backstory on the vineyard. I've been collecting grapevines for the past 6 years from free giveaway events. With the help of some friends, I've now amassed 15 grapevines during that time period. As I've been living in many different houses over that time, I've had to keep my vineyard portable. The grapevines have been relocated about 4 different times. For the past year, they've been stationed at a friend's house and will likely be there for a while until I can find a more permanent home. I've gotten a few small harvests from that vineyard, and the grapes have come out great. The wine, however, that's a different story for a different video. Last year was the first year I pruned my vines, and I liked how that turned out. With the way the foliage grew in this year, it was time to prune again with all the vines dormant for the winter. To make things more interesting this year, my buddy built an arbor in his yard, and he wants me to help him propagate some grapevines up it. Let's do some pruning and propagation. The key to taking cuttings is to 1. Wood on the vines that's less than 1 year old, and 2. Capture 3 nodes on each cutting. Getting these cuttings out of the way, my buddy wanted red grapes for his arbor. So of my vines, we grabbed cuttings from 4 of the reds: Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinot Noir, Zinfandel, and Aglianico. I took some of the Cab Sauv cuttings and a few Chardonnay cuttings back home with me to root as an experiment separately from the main lot. Rooting the cuttings is as simple as dipping each node into a little rooting compound and sticking the cuttings into some soil. Yeah, it's that simple. I'll have an update later on this once the plants have taken root or fail to root. I'm of the opinion that they will take root.